my Whirlpool gas range stovetop.
I'm gonna use the pink stuff to clean the stove grates and a sponge.
I put my grates to the side for now that they're clean. Now I'm gonna focus on this stovetop. I'm gonna start by also cleaning these with the pink stuff. Bought this glass jar off of Amazon, and of course I labeled it. I put 1 cup of rubbing alcohol in there and 1 cup water with a few drops of Dawn soap. And I use this to clean my countertops, and you would never know that any grime was on them. I'm also gonna use it to clean my stovetop. I'm also gonna use these Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubbers I purchased from Target for $2.79. As you can see, I use them quite frequently. This one does have some wear on it, but I'm gonna use it today. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray my stovetop, and I'm gonna get it nice and saturated. I'm gonna use my stainless steel scrubber, and I'm going to gently scrub my stovetop. Just use my finger to get that clump of cheese off. Now, if your stovetop is not saturated, you can scratch your stovetop with your stainless steel scrubber. You want to target the area around each burner because that's where most of your spills happen and your stains that could leave your stovetop looking dirty. My right burner always has the most wear and tear. Do you use the left burner or the right burner more? If you have a rubber glove on or if you use your finger, you can just go around and feel along each burner to see if your stainless steel scrubber picked up everything. And you can see right here, it didn't. So I'm just gonna go in, give that a little more TLC. Go back around, it's nice and clean. Same thing over here. I'm gonna go around with my finger real quick, just because I really can't see it, because mine is dark. Everything looks really good. Sometimes in these corners when water overflows in your pot when you're steaming something, usually that happens to me. Now I'm gonna take a paper towel, and I'm just gonna go along and clean my stove top with it. And you can see it's picking up all the grime that my stove has collected over the last week. Now we use our stove a lot. I clean this every week. And that's why it's really not too big. I'm gonna go through it with another clean paper towel, getting in all those nooks and crannies on each burner. Try not to get the spray inside each burner. And then I go through with one quick spray when I'm done, and I just clean all the excess off. And then I'm gonna clean off each knob because my OCD is telling me to do that. And would you look at that? It looks brand new. If you like what you saw here today, be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything that's going on in Clean Queen's house. After all, life's messy. Let's clean it up.